The Tesla Model 3 Center Console Wrap Kit by Armour. I've got not one, but two. Yeah, two. Let's do this. G'day, my name's Chris, and well, this is my Model 3, and wow, I'm having so much fun with it, and I'm detailing it, and well, it's actually Ashley's car.
Hi everybody.
Everybody, Ashley, who, you know, has been on this channel quite a few times, so thanks so much for joining me here, mate.
No problems.
All right, so today, what are we going to be doing?
So, I previously bought a center wrap kit from overseas. It wasn't quite up to the quality standards we got. So today we're going to be replacing it with a carbon fiber one. Absolutely.
So in a moment, we're going to rip that little sucker out and put in instead this Armour wrap kit. And I've got to say, looks pretty impressive. If you've seen my other videos, you know the first thing you should do is watch the video on how to actually install it. And Armour actually have a few different links down below, so do follow them. And oh, by the way, if you actually follow the Amazon affiliate link, you not only support me, but you're going to get yourself 10% off for the life of this product. So no matter when you see this, you can get yourself 10% off. And if you live in Australia or America or Canada, I'm giving away one for free. Yeah, that's one for Australia and America. Cool stuff?
Excellent.
All right, so let's do this, and yeah, on with the show. First up, we need to remove that cheap, nasty wrap, and then give the surface a really good clean with the 3 included alcohol swabs. Next, use the YouTube app in your Model 3 and watch small segments of the Armour how-to video. The instructions are very clear and pacing is about the same as what you'll be doing it at. We started with the main opening compartment located between the cup holders and the mobile phone spot. A few key points that I learnt whilst doing this. First, take your time. Wrap is made from premium 3M vinyl, which Armour describes as advanced self-healing technology. Not only can you actually just apply heat to it later on if you maybe get a little bit of a mark or a scuff in it and it will heal, but it also allows you to actually redo the application of it a few times. And if you really stuff it up, Armour will actually send out, with a no questions asked policy, a free replacement. Second, ensure that everything is in alignment. The 3M wrap has pre-folded sections to it and guides so that you can apply it not only easily, but also in the correct manner. It's amazing how fast this whole process takes. One moment you got like a shiny fingerprint magnet piano finish that the Model 3 features, and the next second you're tucking in the side, running the squeegee along to get rid of any air, and that's it. All right, so look, that went pretty well. What did you think, Ash?
I think it went much smoother than the competitive one that we previously had.
Mm-hmm.
It looks great in there. It all lines up. It was not a tremendous pain to do.
Yeah.
And we did it in what, 15 minutes?
Yeah, definitely. It was very quick, and I appreciated the actual guide that, you know, you could put it on the screen. You know, you can watch YouTube and Teslas these days, and playing that first.
Yeah, their filming and coverage of it was really good, and the instructions were helpful. And having it in the car made it so much easier just to play and pause it as we were stepping through it.
Exactly. And it was very forgiving. Like, if you put it down, it wasn't quite aligned as what they suggested it had to be. You could just pull it back and try it again. And I found the squeegee tool was fine, but also using your fingernails can help as well. So don't be afraid to actually get right in there. So look, again, for the Australian viewers, and if you live in America, you can actually win yourself one of these little suckers. And how do you do that? Well, just put down below in the comments, hashtag Armour, and next week I'll announce a viewer. So that's one for Australia and one for America. And don't forget the Amazon affiliate link, get 10% off, save some money, why not?
And if you're looking to buy a Tesla, you can use my referral code in the links below.
Definitely, support him. So you're in the market for a Tesla Model S, X or 3, use Ash's code and you get yourself like 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging plus you pay it forward in the future yourself. So do support, your fellow Tesla community. All right, well, Ashley, thanks very much for coming on.
Thank you, Chris. I'm sure we'll see you again.
Cheers. And look, comment, like, subscribe, be good, and be green.